This is a 2007 Ford Focus. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: air conditioning, steering wheel mounted controls, MP3 CD changer, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, more money will stay in your pocket rather than pour into the fuel tank. This Ford has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Thank you for considering McGrath Nissan in Elgin for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, see us on Facebook, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 945 East Chicago Street in Elgin, just 3 miles west of Route 59 on Elgin's Auto Row. We look forward to serving you.